Hello guys, let's learn some colors. Red color, orange color, light blue color, violet color, purple color, light green, black color, brown color, dark green color, yellow, dark blue color, and pink color. Beautiful colors! Let's learn to draw some 2D shapes. Oval, hexagon, triangle, square, star, heart, orange color, oval, oval, dark green color, hexagon, light blue color, triangle, red color, square, yellow color, star, brown color, orange, dark green, light blue, red, yellow, brown. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe. Bye!